What's up, tubers? This is what many people regard as the best military surplus that is still within your reach. Yes, it's the K31. The successor of a famous Schmidt Reuben. (1911) action. Look at the bayonet. What a nice setup. Although this is the lighter version of the carbine, it's still very heavy. Look at that beer can bolt handle. Beautiful Switzerland. Crest. Now these are carry a lot in the snow condition, so most of their wood is pretty badly damaged. Cosmetically, I put a limb saver here. Remember to get the small medium size. After this limb saver, you will be able to save your shoulder after fire the huge big cartridge that I'm going to show you. Look at the nice side adjustment. All the way to 1500. No way I can see beyond 2. I struggle to see anything at 1. So beautiful setup. The bayonet is very, very well made. When I pull the bayonet out, the sound is unbelievable. Chung. You can hear the sound. The front sides are windage adjustable, but you don't need to do nothing. That's the target right there at 18 yards with shooting rest. Those 2 at the bottom are flyers, but look at the group. What a nice shot. Beautiful. The craftsmanship. Unbelievable. It's like a Swiss watch. Some people say this, if it's made today, it will cost at least $2,000 to make a precision rifle like this. $2,000. And I don't doubt a bit replacement cost in today's standard, easily $2,000. And probably you won't be able to find the gunsmiths to make it. Try to see if I can pour the bowl. Too difficult. Okay, sorry about that. I poured the bowl out just to show you how well made the bowl is. Still so clean. Unbelievable. Let's see if we can take it out. So after you depress here, depress it, you can take the whole bowl out. Now the original Smith & Rubin is even more massive. This is already compact size, shortened stroke. Look at how clean it is, how well made. The extractor. It's a straight pull rifle. So after you shot, you pull this straight back. The shell will shoot it from here to the sky. It will cause a stir at the range. People will come watch you shoot this massive weapon. There's also a speed loader. Where you can just put it and push the shell in there. It's pretty neat. I got this one from Netherlands. Unbelievable. And here you can take the magazine out. And the safety is right here. You can pull it out and turn it 90 degrees. It will go into the notch here. Then the gun is in safe mode. Let's try the trigger. A lot of take up. After you hit the wall, pretty awesome, I would say, pretty sweet. In the military surplus standard, I like it. Look at how well made the trigger is. The curve, the shape, absolutely fit into your finger. that. Absolutely amazing. Now let's look at the shell. This is the shell, like a pack of cigarette. How cool is that? And you can peel it from the side. And there are 10 shots in there. I was only able to collect 8. Look at that. Massive. Massive. $7.5 Swiss. There you go. Lots of people say Schmidt-Ruben, the predecessor of this one, is the gun that caused Hitler to bypass Switzerland. I think it has some truth to it, given how devastated this cartridge can cause and how accurate the gun and the cartridge is. That is a 18-yard, but don't forget, $1,500 is a good marksmanship. It's doable. Who want to face that? I don't. Let's look at the bayonet one more time. Ooh, that's nasty. Absolutely nasty. By the way, that target right there is shot with bayonet. There you go. K31. If you see one that is in decent condition, grab it. No question asked. You will have lots of fun. And most importantly, a lot of pride of ownership of this one of the kind, made in Switzerland. Rolex-like tool rifle. That is still within our reach. Okay. Safe shooting. Hit it hard and hit it center. So long. Until next time.